Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the first physical connection. Plug the CarPlay adapter into the stereo's USB host port, then connect your iPhone to the adapter with a lightning cable. Make sure the adapter has power. Once done, switch the stereo to the USB input the adapter uses. You do this now because the adapter must present itself as a CarPlay host to the iPhone. Without the host USB connection, the iPhone won't offer CarPlay. Now you pair and enable CarPlay. On your iPhone, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow CarPlay and look for the adapter. Accept any prompts and choose to allow while locked. If the adapter uses Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, complete pairing on both the phone and the adapter's setup screen. Some adapters open a companion app. Follow it to confirm firmware and display mode. Then make sure the stereo input is still on the adapter's USB. And adjust audio output so navigation voice. Finish by testing core functions. Ask Siri a question, start navigation, play music, and take a call to confirm microphone and audio routing. If the screen is cropped, adjust display scaling in the adapter app or stereo settings. If CarPlay fails to appear, restart the adapter and iPhone, check adapter firmware updates, and make sure CarPlay is allowed under screen time restrictions. If all else fails, try a different lightning cable and repair. Poor cables cause most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.